My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 MG HS. This vehicle has done just under 22,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control and our keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, navigation and climate control. We also have Apple and Android CarPlay, and if we go into car, we can access driving assistance, comfort and convenience, driving and maintenance, and factory setting. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.